Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Christmas tree storage is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for maintaining the beauty and longevity of your artificial Christmas tree, ensuring it remains a stunning centerpiece for years to come without succumbing to dust, moisture, or physical damage that can occur during off-season storage, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner who cherishes their holiday decorations and wants to preserve them in pristine condition. Number 5. Zober Large Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound all year round. Our durable bag shields it from dust, moisture, and pests, ensuring it's always ready for the festive season. Crafted from waterproof polyethylene, this bag provides robust defense against mold and water damage. Your artificial tree will remain pristine, no matter the storage conditions. Moving your tree is a breeze with our reinforced handles. 3 strong, stitch-reinforced handles make carrying it between storage and your living room completely hassle-free. Easily find your tree among your holiday decorations. The bright green bag stands out, and the attached card slot lets you know exactly what's inside at a glance. Getting your tree in and out is simple. The wide opening with a dual zipper allows for easy placement and removal. Just unfold, insert, and store. What we like? This bag offers excellent protection against moisture and pests, keeping your tree pristine. Its bright color and card slot make it easy to find. If you're looking for a straightforward, protective solution that's easy to spot in storage, this is a great choice. What people say. The bag is sturdy and well-made, with strong handles that make it easy to carry. It easily fits my 8-foot Christmas tree, even with the branches still attached. The zipper is heavy-duty and opens wide, making it simple to get the tree in and out. Number 4. Holiday Spirit Heavy-Duty Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This spacious storage bag easily fits most artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. It offers ample room for garlands or lights, keeping all your festive decor organized in one place. Crafted from thick Oxford canvas, it shields your tree from moisture, dust, and pests. It's the ideal solution for protecting your holiday centerpiece in attics, basements, or storage rooms. Featuring triple-stitched reinforced straps, carrying your tree is now easier than ever. These comfortable handles allow for effortless lifting and transport, even when it's heavy. With strong double zippers, this container opens wide for effortless packing and unpacking. It's a reliable upgrade from flimsy cardboard boxes or basic storage bins. Designed for long-term use, it offers exceptional durability and organization year after year. Enjoy compact seasonal storage with this reliable bag. What we like? Crafted from thick Oxford canvas, this offers robust protection against the elements. It has ample space for your tree and even some extras. If you need a durable, long-lasting bag that can handle a larger tree and potentially other decorations, consider this option. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has reinforced handles for easy carrying. It comfortably fits a disassembled 8-foot Christmas tree and all its decorations. The zipper is sturdy and opens wide, making it easy to load and unload the tree. Number 3. Carrywell Heavy-Duty Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe from dust, moisture, and pests. Our high-quality storage bag is built for long-lasting protection, ensuring your artificial tree is ready for many holidays. Crafted from tear-proof material with reinforced stitching, this bag is designed for durability. Its waterproof construction and laminated interior provide superior protection against the elements. A transparent card slot allows for easy labeling, so you'll always know which tree is inside. The full-length dual zipper makes placing and removing your tree simple and hassle-free. With 4 reinforced handles, 2 on top and 2 on the sides, carrying and maneuvering your tree is a breeze. These handles are built with extra stitching for added strength and reliability. When the holidays are over, this bag conveniently folds flat for easy storage. It takes up minimal space in your basement or attic, keeping your storage areas tidy. Carrywell is an American-owned company headquartered in Miami, Florida. We are committed to quality and do not produce our items in China. This product is made in Cambodia. What we like? This option emphasizes its origin and robust construction with tear-proof material and reinforced stitching. It also features multiple handles for easier carrying. If you prioritize supporting American-owned businesses and want a bag built for extreme durability and ease of transport, this is the one for you. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has reinforced handles, making it easy to carry. It comfortably fits a disassembled 8-foot tree and all its accessories, including lights and ornaments. The zipper is sturdy and runs smoothly, ensuring the bag stays securely closed. Number 2. Zober 9-foot large Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound. Our storage solution shields it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect for years to come. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof material, this bag is designed for long-lasting durability. It's built to protect your tree through countless holiday seasons. Moving your tree is a breeze with its reinforced handles. Transporting it from storage to your living room has never been easier. Never forget what's inside. An attached card slot lets you easily label the bag, so you can quickly identify your Christmas tree. The wide opening with a dual zipper makes placing and removing your tree incredibly simple. Just unfold, insert, and store, no assembly needed. What we like. This bag provides dependable protection from dust and moisture with its heavy-duty, waterproof plastic construction. It's designed for easy carrying and identification. If you want a no-fuss, reliable storage solution that keeps your tree safe and is easy to label, this is a solid pick. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has reinforced handles for easy carrying. It comfortably fits a disassembled 8-foot Christmas tree and its lights. The zipper is sturdy and allows for easy opening and closing. Number 1. Handy Laundry Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This bag is designed to fit trees up to 9 feet tall. It even has extra space for your tree toppers and lights, making holiday storage simple. With a double-pull zipper, loading and accessing your tree is a breeze. Sturdy handles make it easy to carry or pull, ensuring hassle-free storage. Crafted from a sturdy, tarp-like material, it maintains its shape even when full. This ensures a durable storage solution that will last for years to come. Keep your cherished holiday decorations safe from dust, moisture, and pests. You can store your tree with confidence, knowing it will be in perfect condition for the next holiday season. Its generous size and robust construction make it perfect for more than just Christmas trees. Use it to store other holiday decorations, outdoor cushions, or even as a convenient moving bag. What we like. This bag boasts a spacious design that fits trees up to 9 feet and has room for accessories. Its sturdy tarp material retains its shape and it's also versatile for other storage needs. If you have a large tree, extra decorations, or need a multi-purpose storage solution, this bag offers great value. What people say. The bag is made of durable material. It has sturdy handles for easy carrying. The zipper is strong and works smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.